Class 10 Mathematics, Banking and Taxation. Exercise 1, second part of this exercise, Chapter 8. I am R.S. Prasad, sir. I will start the remaining questions of this exercise. So let us start the question number 5, and that is the exercise number 1. If Krishna opens a recurring deposit account in some bank branch of 3 years. So let us see here, that one is the 3 years. Let us see what happened in this. So time is given as 3. So you can say here 3 years. So n is the number of months. It is 3 years. So it is multiplied by 12. So it becomes 36 month. Now let us see, the monthly installment is 250. So you have to write principal is rupees 250. Then how much money will he get if the rate of interest is 5%? So R is given as 5% per annum. It is the per annum. So as you know, the interest formula is, you have to see here, it is P into R into N and N plus 1 and divided by, it is 100 into 2 into 12. So let us put the value of, in this, P is given as how much? It is the 250 and R is given as 5 and N is 36 and 1 added, it becomes 37. Now divided by how much? It is the 100 into 2 into 12. So 12 3 ja 36, and what about 2? The 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and 5 2 ja 10. So what will be happen in this? So that one you can write here, interest is equal to, that is the 25 into 3 into 37 and it is divided by 2 to the 4. So you have to divide this one. So it becomes 693.75 rupees. That is the interest. Now the total money, how much money? So amount, we want to find amount. Amount is equal to टोटल पी, दैट इज द 250 इंटू 36, ये इसने मनी जमा की थी और इंटरेस्ट जो मिला था 693.75. सो व्हाट विल बी हैपन? इट इज द 9000 and plus 693.75. So you can add this one. So it is 9693.75 rupees. So you have to write rupees, and that one is your answer. Let us see the sixth question. Rajat opened a recurring deposit account in a branch of Central Bank of India. Deposit 100 rupees of every month. So P is given as rupees 100 every month for 3 years. So what will be N? It is the 3 into 12. So that becomes, it is 36 month. Yes. What rate of interest? That means R will be find out. Per annum will yield the interest. Interest is given as, I is given as 222 on the maturity. Maturity पे इतने amount मिला है. So let us see how can do this. As you know, I is equal to P into R into N plus 1 and divided by, it is 100 into 2 into 12. So interest is given as 222, it's equal to P is given as how much? It is 100 rupees and R is given as not given. It is fine. Now N is 36 and 1 adding, it becomes 37, and upon what will be happen upon? It is the 100 into 2 into 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So 100 will be cancelled out to each other. Now we get R is equal to 222 into 2 and divided by how much? It is 3 and 37. So let us see what will be happen in your this. Let us see how can divide this one. So it is 37 6 ja this one, and 3 2 ja 6, so that becomes 4. So you can write R is equal to 4% per annum. So that is your answer. Let us see the next type of question, that is the amount is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. N is the number of times, that means the number of years, number of half yearly, number of quarterly, and A is the total amount, P is the principal, and R is the rate of interest, and N is the time, that is the number of time, that means number of years, number of half yearly, number of quarterly. So you can do very well. Let us see what will be happen in the second steps. That one is here. So you have to see here, Krishna deposit this amount for 1 year for fix as a fix. So principal is given as rupees 20,000 for 1 year. Allahabad Bank at the interest of 16% per annum. If the interest compounded every 3 months, it is the most important thing. Every 3 months is compounded. How much money will Krishna get on this maturity? That means time is given as n is given as 1 year. It is changed into quarterly. So 1 into 4 quarterly. You can say here quarterly. So it is 4 quarterly. So n is 4, and the rate of interest, it is the 16%. So you can say 16 by 4% quarterly. It is per annum. For quarterly you can change like this, so it becomes 4% quarterly. Now apply the formula. Apply the amount is P and 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So let us see, amount is given as, amount we want to find this one, P, it is amount, A is, P is given as 20,000, and 1 plus R is 4, and here is 100, and to the power how much, it is 4. This one is given as 4. So that means 20,000, and here 4 1 ja 4, and it is 425 ja. So that becomes, taking their LCM 25, so it is 25 plus 1, so it becomes the power 4. So that is 20,000 into, it is 26 upon 25, and whole power is 4. So that becomes 20,000 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. How much? 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, it is completed. Now let us see here, 5 5 ja 25, and 5 4 ja 20. So how many zero? 3 zeros. Once again 5 1 ja 5, and 5 8 ja, so 2 zeros. Once again 5 5 ja, and here is 5 1 ja 5, and 5 6 ja, so 160. Once again it is divided by 5, it will be 5 3 ja 15, and 5 2 ja 10, it is 32. So what will be happen in this? So your amount will be equal to, 32 into 26 into 26 into 26 into 26, and divided by how many 26? 1 2 3 4 and 5, and here is 25 and 25, that is the 625. Now calculate. The answer is 23397.17, and the amount is rupees 23397.17 is your correct answer. Hamichand deposits, it is 1 lakh for 1 year and the 6 months. So time is given as 1 year 6 months. Always remember, as a fixed deposit in a rural bank at an interest of 8%. So R is given as 8%. So first of all, principal is given as rupees 1 lakh. Yes, for 1 year 6 month fixed deposit, correct. And the rate of interest is given as, it is 8% per annum. If the interest compounded every 3 months, it is given as every 3 months, and that is the most important, that is the quarterly. So rate of interest is divided by 4, so 8 divided by 4% quarterly. So it becomes 2% of quarterly. So that is the R. And what about to N? N is the 1 year 6 month. So how many quarterly? It has 4 quarterly, and plus it has 2 quarterly. So that becomes 6 quarterly. So that is the N. And how much money he get, that means the amount find करना है हमें. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. So P is given as, you don't know P, that is the 1 lakh, and 10. 1 plus R is given as 2%, and 100 power is, the power is 6. So it is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja, which is 50. So you can say that one is, it is the 51 upon 50. And how many powers? That is the 6. And it is 1 lakh. So 51 upon 50 into 51 upon 50 into 51 upon 50 into 51 upon 50. How many? 6 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and once again 6. Now you can do this. How much? So 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Once again 1 2. So 1 2. So all 0 are cancelled. So you got like this. So that one is 51 into 51 into 51 into 51 into 51. How many 51? 6 51. So 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 is remaining here, so you can write here. And the here is how many 5s? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can write 5 6 times 1 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4. So your answer is 1126162.40. So you have to write your answer like this. So that is the amount which the, let us see the question number 9, in which a person saves 2 lakhs for 2 years in a fixed deposit account, 4% interest rate per annum. What amount will he get on maturity if interest is compounded annually? इसमें simple annually ही बोला गया है. तो you can write here P is given as 2 lakh. So you can write here 2 lakh. This one is 2 lakh rupees, and the time is given as 2 years. You can see here it is the 2 years. So N is 2 years, and the rate of interest that is given as 4% per annum. So now I will that is the amount. Amount is equal to P and 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Now apply the, put the values. So 2 lakhs and 1 plus R is given as 4%, 4 upon 100, and the whole power is 2. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8, so 25. So it becomes 2 lakhs, and here is 26 upon 25. It is whole square. So you have to write here 2 lakhs into 26 upon 25. Once again 26 upon 25. So what will be happen? Now cancel to 5. 25 8 ja 200. 25 8 ja 200. And how many zeros? 3 zeros. Now 5 5 ja, and here is 5 1 ja 5 and 5 6 ja 30. So how many? 2 zeros. Now once again divided by 5. So 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10. So it becomes 320. So amount is, you can calculate, is 320 into 26. So your amount will be 216320. So you can write the rupees amount is rupees how much? It is 216320. That is your answer. Let us go the next question, and that is the 10th question. Nilesh open a fixed deposit account for 1 year. So time is given as 1 year in the Bank of India. Deposit this one. That is the principal. So principal is given as it is the 50,000. So you have to write 50,000. And the rate is given as 8%. So you have to write it is 8% per annum. So it is the PA. If the interest compound quarterly, it is the most important thing, it is quarterly, so everything change into quarterly. So it is 8 is divided by 4% quarterly, so it becomes 2%. So it is 2% quarterly. And as you know, the time period is 1 year, so n is given as 1 year. So in a 1 year 4 quarterly is here, so it is multiplied by 4, so it becomes 4 quarterly. Now let us see the formula. Formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Now put the values of all these. P is given as 50,000, so you will be write 50,000, and here is 1 plus R is given as 2%, that is the 100, and power is how much? It is 4. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja, so it becomes 50. So 50,000. So taking their LCM, it becomes 50 plus 1, and whole power is 4. So now you have to write this one. It is 50,000 into, it becomes 51 upon 50 to the power 4. So let us see what will be happen. It is 50,000 into 51 into 51 into 51 into 51 4 times. And what about to 5 50? It is also 4 times. So you have to write 50 50 and 50. So once again 1 0 2 0 3 0 and 4 0. So 1 2 3 4 0 are cancel out, and once again 5 to 5 cancel out. So we get here 51 into 51 into 51 into 51, and divided by how many 5s? So it becomes 5 4s 1 to 1.60. So you can write here amount is which is getting by the Nilesh. It is rupees 541 to 1.60. That is the answer. Now let us go in your second 11. So Pushpa saved the 60,000 for 1 year 6 months. So time is given as 1 year 6 months. Always remember fixed deposit amount. How much money will she get on maturity? That means amount will be find out. Interest is given as 12% annual. So interest is compound every year 6 months. It is the most important. It is the 6 months. So let us start. So amount is given as 60,000. So you have to write 60,000, and the rate of interest, it is the 12% per annum. It will be changed into the half yearly. So 12 divided by 2, because 2 half yearly is there in 1 year. It is half yearly. So it will be 6. So it becomes 6 half yearly. So it is the R is the rate, and what will be the time? Time is given as 1 year 6 months. So 1 year and 6 month. So 1 year is, that is the 2 half yearly, and 6 month is 1 half yearly. So it becomes 3 half yearly. So n becomes 3 half yearly. So our formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Now apply the formula in this. So A will be equal to P is given as 60,000 So it is 60,000. So 1 plus R is given as, that is the 6%. Half yearly, it is the 6%. So you have to write 6 upon 100 to the power how much? It is 3. Now let us see here, 2 3 ja and 2 50 ja. So it will be 60,000, and here is 50 plus 3, taking the LCM as a 50, and the whole power is 3. So it becomes 60,000, and here is 53 upon 50, and whole power is 3. So you can write here 60,000 into 53 into 53 into 53. It is 3 times. You have to write 3 times, and here is 50 into 50 into 50. How many zeros? 1 2 3 zeros. So you will be cut 3 zeros. Now what will be 5 1 ja 5, and 5 1 ja 5 1, and 5 2 ja. So you got how much? 12 into 53 into 53 into 53. How many? 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3, only 3. 1 2 3, and here is, it is 71460.96. So that is the amount, that one get by Puspa. So that is the amount. So you have to write here amount. So amount is 71460.96. You can write, and that is the answer. So let us your last question of this exercise. Sriram deposits the 20,000 for 2 years. It is the principal given. So you can write here P is equal to 20,000. Yes, for 2 years in a fixed deposit. So time will be 2 years. If the annual rate of interest is 6%, so R is given as 6% annual, that is the PM. What will be happen? If the interest compounded every 6 months, so everything is changed into 6 months. 6 months, that means half yearly. So you can see here it is 2 into 2 half yearly. So it will be 4 half yearly. Now here is 6 divided by 2 per annum, that it is changed into half yearly. So that becomes 3% half yearly. It is the rate of interest. Now put the formula. So formula is A P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So put the value of this. So A will be equal to P is 20,000. Yes. And 1 plus R will be, do you know the R? It is 3%. So 3 upon 100, and the whole power is n. N is, it is given as 4. So you have to write 4. So it becomes 20,000, and taking the LCM, it is 100. So here will be 100 plus 3, and the whole power is 4. So what will be happen? It is 20,000, and here is 103 upon 100, and whole power is 4. So now you will be written as 20,000 into 103 upon 100. It is 4 times 103 upon 100, and 103 upon 100, and once again 103 upon 100. So what will be happen? This 20 cancel to this 20, and 20 will be further cancelled to this. So we get 2 into 103 into 103 into 103 into 103. It is 4 times, and now divided by how many? Yes, you have to see here, the answer will be 22510.18, and so the answer will be, who is Sri Ram gets the money of this 22510.18 rupees. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज भी एंडेड। ये एक्सरसाइज समाप्त हो रही है। इसका मतलब ये है कि आप लोग जो है आप पूरे कंप्लीट करेंगे क्वेश्चंस को अपनी कॉपी में, जो कुछ छूट गया है उसको भी आप लोग कंप्लीट करेंगे एज अ होमवर्क। और इसके नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, जिससे स्कूल बंद होने के बाद भी ये वीडियो आपको मिलते रहें। ये केवल उन्हीं को मिल पाएंगे जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब कर रखा होगा। और आगे जितने बच्चों को भी हो सके उनको शेयर करिएगा, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का